guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Gerald. It's Las Vegas Motor Speed. Today it's January 27, 2026, and today we're going to the AutoNation Honda dealership here in Las Vegas to have my first oil change on my Honda Civic Type R. And it's been 6 months since I bought the car from the dealership. I have currently 3,800 miles, and the dealership actually texted me and it's time to use my promotion, which is free oil change for the first time. And it's supposed to be, the car should be oil change around 7,000, but we'll take advantage with this free oil change. So before I start this video, don't forget to subscribe on my channel. It's Las Vegas Motor Speed. Alright folks, it's our first service oil change for the Type R here in AutoNation Las Vegas, East Sahara. So we're at East Sahara, Las Vegas. We're gonna have our Honda Type R to be serviced for the first time after 6 months. It has 3,800 miles on it, so it's free. Let's take advantage. So we're just hanging out right now here at the showroom. So they have white Type R, folks. It's beautiful. Right, this is the price. They have 5,000 markup price, and they have the new Honda Prelude. I'm not a big fan of this, but it's two-seater. They're 43 grand, and they also have this one for white. Alright guys, service is done, so everything is pretty much green. It's a fucking brand new car, has 3,800 miles on it. We did our first oil change here in Sahara, East Sahara, AutoNation Honda. Everything is pretty much in shape. Alright guys, here's our Type R. Oil change has been done today, and it has 3,800 miles. So we did the first free or complimentary oil change for this 2025 Honda Civic Type R, and of course it perfectly in good shape. It's a brand new car, so everything is running perfect mechanically. And once again, this is Gerald. Thank you so much for tuning into my channel. We'll see you in the next vlog. Don't forget to subscribe. Las Vegas Motor Speed and Gerald's TV. Have a great day, afternoon, evening, whatever you are, guys. Peace.